Yakara was running so that we can stand on our feet and welcome the Bishop Doisa as he comes. Our Papa says that I don't know. You can sit there. Usazoshumayela amen usazoshumayela kulekani usazoshumayela kulekani but yethu amisa lapha kwi-verse lamyenza kuJeremiah 30:19 we growing church. So in mega empowerment conference yethu i-theme is growing church. So what inkosi ekubekile enhlizweni yami ukuthi every church deserves to grow. Noma mhlawumbe ngibeke kanje, every church must grow.
Yes.
Now kunabantu abahamba phambili, one who have the grace to teach about growth, but most importantly who have the grace in leading a growing church.
Yes.
So kwesinye isikhathi isambulo sanele, but kwesinye isikhathi sidinga isambulo ne-evidence. So mebuza in growing a church, akhona ama-principles which are biblical engikholelwa kuwo esingawafundisa, but ayaziwakali kangcono uma efundiswa umuntu othi umumbuka ukuthi I know lama principles ayasebenza. So that is why this is what we are looking at, and from them we go out praise and the sound of laughing. Now if we nje ukuthi ngoba sila mawuphela no 3 days fanele uphele with praise and laughing. Bese uyasho ukuthi indaba uzophela with praise and laughing uthi and I will make them great in number. Ibe specific ukuthi ngithuza le BBE ukuthi ngifuna wazi ukuthi sifuna ukukhula in number. Ngifuna sibambelele bazalwane ku right ukuthi sibobhoze emoya. Ku right ukuthi sikhule izulu lehla bathi okwamanje Inkosi ekubeke enhlizweni and ngifuna ukuzofaka kumzalwane nomzalwane and kubafundisa sikole ukuthi we need to grow and be great in number. And they will not become less. So ngamanye amazwi will come to say siyayivala into yokuncipha sikuyinto yokukhula ngasoma likhona elibani siyayivala into yokuncipha singena kwinto yokukhula. So indaba ka-less umusa no-less ungawulethi thina sesiku greater ungahlala ke no-less wakho akazi bakhona no-less layini ungambani ka-less selikwa ku-great. So and they will not become less, and I will give them glory, and they will not be small. We will not be small. So but I'm in an interesting way. You would before bishop akakhuluma izinto ezimanje kunezinto ke bishop yabingelela nazo ngikhulume kakhulu alright bishop it's good to have you. So kunezinto esesikhulume no bishop now and then pastor angizwani nomvuka but pastor no bishop banayo yokumvusa bafuna ekuseni. Amen. So ekukhulumeni kwethu bishop ukuba bakhona inkulumo esiyenza abandala ngikukhuluma ngizothanda mhlawumbe ukuthi ukunaba kancane wakhuluma into eyisimanga bazalwane wathi there are those who are for you and there are those who are with you. Kukhona laba abakho kukhona laba abanawe abantu kukhona abantu ekuthiwa abakho bese bakhona abantu abanawe. But inayo challenge yokuthi ababhaliwe ukuthi ibaphi abakho ibaphi abanawe. But ukuseke wayehamba le ndlela but mhlawumbe ngithe ngiyifaka leyo ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi kancane ngiyifake nokuthi ke nekukhona abakho naba nawe usho khona bazohamba mekukhona abazohamba ke futhi si how do we navigate noma indlela yaphambili ihambe kanjani mhlambe iqala kumina ukuthi sibabona kanjani abakho sibabona kanjani abanawe and senza kanjani mhlambe ne-impact ithini laba abanawe mase behamba siyabingelela bisho
Pastor, when we are attending the community at church, comfortable. No, I would say it don't end actually.
You can come to as you are.
Thank you. Give me another that particular leadership of the Kaya. Move forward to my brother, my colleague. Yeah, so that name was around. So I want to put down. And then I put my columns with it. So I was there. Maybe the case. I said, I was thinking of my apple. So that especially with that one. I learned about my brother as well. Inside. Now I don't want to more on that. Taboo. There are people that are with you and people that are for you. Come in the bush. No matter what after yes, experience of national leadership York. Yeah, the important of Puma call number one, the book try to give it two sides. I have an experience whereby in the youth center somewhere, it's like a team myself the leadership behind it. The entire no matter most of them we can smile that. Most of the time, we have grace. And our needs. Your senses in the teaser. Mamuzade, once not doing another, say call it grace to understanding that they are putting. We are putting a show. I think in an age, we feel is. Now, that's a sort of foolish, whatsoever, no, I'm begging as a leader. Call it grace, so we senses it. Who took another one, I was actually to pull up a tool. Ushumara kwa na fashion aye ushumara ula ushumara watu suna kwa ndo musoselo yetu ya ye ikona royo bale mfuru mutikiti ngathola lokho ukuthi ngiyakudela for you to better with you after the experience ushiwa leadership abantu ukuthi abantu ushiwa leadership for just pleasure leadership yakho ngicela izinto khulumelayo almost ithemba lakho liyona kodwa abantu icaba ukuhlangana iphumela nje ubese kuba amakhono ukuthi kuyindoda enjani ngelishwa abantu bonke lapho bekhuluma kahle ngawe esondweni I think lonto iyafundisa ukuthi ngiye kwasiphi so befundisa masisho abazalwane. Sometimes we are in a city. Desperate times calls for different change. Okay? As tough, as painful as it is. Yes. But it is good somewhere. Yeah. Especially as Kuluma, but Ababisi. So good about she was sometimes is very good. Though who can't hear me. Abazalwane ubanamanya benama sozonama uthena thina ukuthola ngoba akuzuphela balokuhamba kodwa ithi njalo mabehamba hamba nawe Nkosi njalo mabehamba nawe wena iyakulobisi ngoba letizovela ukuthi according ikhona yini noma bethatha ukuthi uqinisa amabonta thizini but ukuthi uma kuthiwa people that are for you ikhona ngenkathi enkosini uzofuna uzithole awuzuthola abantu abahambile uzozithola wena ngoba akusho ukuthi njengoba kunebhayibheli eliningi kunobungcwele obuningi ngebahambiswe yona abantu bahambiswela kahle babuhle bahamba abantu bayahamba abantu basedleleni abantu isikhathi-ke kodwa futhi esikusona engagcina uqhubeka kanti isizi nje ezodlula kulesi sikhathi babebelebeke abakudala bathi those that are for you makani those that are for you according to the when God is for you, who can be against you when God is for you? So noma isimo singanja uma lobo bantu abadizanelwe kwabakho ngeke bakushise ukuthi uthakathaka no uNkulunkulu lawo ebahlelele wena ngeke bakushise ukuthi uthakathaka abakomperishi nabanye abefundisi. You cannot compare your mom and your father nomuntu umzali okhona owake wakubona irrespective ukuthi muhle kanjani umele kanjani uhamba kanjani. Your mom will always be your mom. Ukuthi lento ifuna ubhabhathiselwe umholi. When ubhabhathisela umholi while is teaching, those are also the signs.
Before you go back,
yes, sir.
Ithini lento ubhabhathiselwa umholi?
Singafunda Genesis 14:14. Ngiyamthanda nje lo. iBhayibheli lithi waqeqesha abazelwe in his household. Wabaqeqesha. Ezinto ezinto ababhadhiselwe umholi wakhe ukuvuma kwanenhliziyo yokuqeqeshwa umholi wakhe ukuvuma kwanenhliziyo aqeqeshe umholi wakhe. Irrespective ukuthi ufike uvela kwelinye isikole, but mawufika kwenye vision thambela leyo vision. Umthandazo wokuqala kufanele bawuwenze ngaphezu komthandazo ukuthi ufundiswe kule local church ukuthi bona benze njani. So uma uthandaza umshaya ukuthi umuziba kancane, yabona ukuphosise udelete wenze ukuthi ufithe kule grace osungene kuyona, ngoba uma bekwazi ukuqeqesha ngokwevision yabo uzobendapha uphila ucomparison. So noma yena bayireleasayo ibandla lelo linegrace ukulabazi ubiza ukuthi angamnikezi isibusiso sabantu. We are blessed to be blessed. God has blessed the leaders, even everybody, but to be a blessing. But in this portion ikhuluma ngomfundisi obizwe uNkulunkulu wasembizela abantu. Mhlawumbe ngithi uma uNkulunkulu ebiza uMoses akaphazamisekanga ukuthi uMoses une-complain ukuthi unamalini. Instead wakufunela umuntu that is going to be for him, a person that is going to serve him direct. No, I want to believe ukuthi uAaron were fluent in terms of ukukhuluma nabantu, you know, ngoba lo wayakacahani ebantwini kodwa lo emningi ebantwini ungazuphazamiseleke ubona abantu umnandi kubona kanti ubizelwe lo onamalini.
Mhlawumbe uyiphinde leyo njoba izwakalanga
kuyenzeka ufike la ubona khona ukuthi izinto ngathi zihamba kamnandi, uzucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe lo obizwe uNkulunkulu umcomparison mhlawumbe nanawo ubuka abantu bethanda ukuthi baxobana upreach isihle ubombase, you know, ngiyaqala uyabona umuntu wesikhathi kanti ubizelwe lo obiziwe.
mhlawumbe ngisho ngingene mhlawumbe lapha umenzi analogy kaMoses no-Aaron. Inkinga kaMoses unamalini and u-Aaron is fluent. Can you imagine uma futhi ethi ubizelwe kubiziwe uthi every time kufanele u-Aaron alindele lo uzume iparagraph azoyithatha ayise eGibhithe. So for every 10 minutes u-Aaron awuspend eGibhithe mhlawumbe it's about 3 hours
Kampuketa lapho into ezosiza u-Aaron ukuze angayitholi esengcabantu ukuthi it's very important ngethanda ke ukuthi umuntu ombizelwe umphandazele uzinike isikhathi ukuze lento ingaciki.
Yes.
Not ukuthi ingaciki ngoba uyibona nawe ukuthi yona vele mhlawumbe wazophasa lo face ingakuciki noma sekuvela abantu bethi uyabona yini lazima ngizona kubona abantu ngiyabona ukuthi ingaciki ngoba wena lento uyanderstandayo right ngale bona uhlisa umoya phakayo lezinto okwazi ukuyithasha for you to calm it down so that ukwazi ukufesa kodwa khona isikhathi la kuba khona abantu abakubonisa into oyibonayo. Isikhathi esinzima ngenesolo whereby kukhona abantu bane-influence, kukhona abantu abakude bagcotshelwe sokuba kanjani. I-Isaiah 26:10 ukhuluma ngabantu abakwazi ukulala bebona kamoto bengayenzanga iplan abafikele lokuthoba uyayizonakisho ngizona kancane.
Yes.
Before balala kufanele bebonise so kuyimpilo ukubona ukwenza lokho. Khona abantu esilapha esontweni noma ebandleni kaNkulunkulu abangakwazi ukuphumula futhi ke kuwesibani izinto zihamba kalula khona noma yabona bahlale bebona izinto ezinegative more than bebona izinto eziright. Don't be baptized kumo ubengeke akhali ukhona athi ngikhulekele nami ifika kulula kanjani. We as pastors, we as God zikhona izinto mhlawumbe 2 or 3 but we find ukuthi ku2 or 3 kuno10 ongawunakile ngoba awufuni ukubhaphathiselwa kumhomo ukuze uyirane ngoba umhole kayirane bazwana ivision noma ngayirane uyirane ngabantu beka down there. So the only way to God engiyiphasisayo umkhulekele umholi umkhulekele with his family, you know, take time. But for to avoid this thing, you come and do that. Yes. That's the time. Just say that's how much we do. Sapuma kunzima ikhoneki idluwa yabo bizoliyala into zalo ngathi kuyahlakazeka kodwa ekugcineni mawubuyele emqondweni fanele ubuyele ema-senses akho abantu banesomala ufane nendodana welahleko ubuyele ngoba uzawusithola udla fortunate la ayidlanga umntu kodwa uzawusithola wena uyidla yazi inkulumo because ublokele yanto yokubuyela kuma-senses wakho wavinjwa wabanjwa ibrada. You come back. Ubese ukhokha istori sakho. Ingozi grace oyishiye uyilimazile.
oyishiye
ingozi ingozi nokuza. Funa ushindo takula manje ushobora kuphekwa kakhulu ishiye ngendlela yokuthi ukwazi ukuthi makuthiwa abantu bedlula bonke abantu bedlula bonke abantu because abantu laba bakwazi kodwa lokho kuye makuthiwa wedlula in the same road in the same path ngoba awukaphumi kuyo umuntu akaphumi kalula kokuNkulunkulu akasheshe ngoba leli sikhonza siyabonda yabona akaphumi kalula umuntu komunye umuntu. Ake ngenze example kunento ekuthiwa ngakubizwa ukuthi kunomuntu edrayiva nje wasebona isihlahla sisho waseyama umuntu ushaya wathi wabheka inyoka eshaya wasefuthi inyoka uma seyiva inyoka bafa inyoka bayiphuma empilweni yezinto eyijwayele yashaya yabo mayiphuma empilweni yanqofoza ngoba vele imiyetha yenyoka ukushaya futhi kungase manje ishaya ngoba empilweni ayishiswanga wena bezoyiseva hayi mayiphinde empilweni aphinde futhi afuna ukuyisiza adonse manje ukhulu kube sebakhona ubonayo nenyoka le oyiseva shayile ekuqaleni ucale isashaya manje abesethilo ya ayishayile ngiyazi ukuthi i-nature yenyoka ukushaya vele kodwa nami ngine-nature manje phambana i-nature yenyoka ne-nature kimi i-nature kimi ithi ngiyasiza isiza noma sengishayile mina ngiyasiza mina ngisiza noma sowuhambe wangidelela okwangiyasiza so angikwazi ukuphuma kalula kwi-nature yami yokusiza ndokushayela usiza lapho-ke ukuphuma ngoba ikusasa bafethu noma ungabizwa noma ungava umuntu onjani awulazi uyamdinga umuntu wokugcina ohlukane naye wokugcina ohlukane naye yazi bakhona lisefunkezana sizothandazana ngisho izitha zethu that's biblical khona silakhona bona kuthandazeke ngisho your own enemies ngoba ukuphuma sometimes nako ngeke sisho ukuthi just a common story Abraham noLot umuntu ozizwe la Abraham right then uLot ekhona kuzana so kuyabenefithekayo kanjalo useke angikho la wase ehamba nomuntu obizile uLot akabisi ngoNkulunkulu uhamba nomuntu obizile zihamba kubona ubizile umuntu oyifundayo uyakwazi ukufunda cela sobona ukuthi hayi kanti ubizo lami ngiyakungena After I took them about cat to fast forward the story. Who kept that car? The one I would not have from the city. They come and it's not about the Tazamati. It's a thing. Yeah, what? We should do all that on who have Abraham and Mutu over the Gilad. I got Kishi. If they don't want to buy it. No one would chase a moose. You said that would I like to have a mother. So we don't say, in 10 years, in 20 years, put you up a revelation. Muhammad.
So people are told this.
Yes, sir.
Time does not define what you want.
No.
So Muhammad, yeah.
No, it was.
So fanele buhambe uyobuza
ukuthi ngiyazeka because ungasathi thina abantu especially thina nje emnyama banathanda ukukhuluma nabantu ungathi asithanda ukwazi ukuthi njengoba ngihamba nawe ungazi njengobani ngoba after a certain revelation then is when uJesu ekhuluma izinto eyinamandla zokugcina eyinamandla zokuthi ndawo singela imali lapho siyaqaleka nje yabo bona lo kusahamba apha nje kufike isikhathi ukuthi uyithole i-revelation ngokukhona uyayenza into nokubena nomfazi abanye ngithi sibasela kakhulu uthola umfazi wakubona akakwazi ubani into ekabala kodwa wathi umuntu wamazi ukuthi ubani kunendlela oqala ukuthi ngayo yaka revelation kunendlela osumbuka ngayo abanye abangambuki ngayo noma songavela uTikTok ushaya ukusethu ukunakela umfundisi wakho usule revelation awusabhaleki awusadidiswa ngoTikTok vele lo wathi ukuthi wavela wathi awusaba yilabatheke awulona ikhayiti noma ibhelule yezwakala so kungcono nomthandazo njengebandla soshintsha mina I want to believe ukuthi umfundisi bongamthandazeli kulula ukumshaya nabangani bakhe umuntu ongathandazela njengowena it's easy to talk bad against or bad about him. It's very easy. It's even common. Kulula ukuthi ungamuzwa ngoba vele umthandazeli kulula ukumjoyina abantu abahleka umfundisi wakho ngoba vele umthandazeli abaza amangezwala benza ya uma iBhayibheli lithi asibakhulekela abaholi abasemagunyeni lifaka umfundisi wakho phakathi bese liveza ngezathu ukuze uhlaleke kahle ukuhlala kahle yepeace yakho efihlwe ukuthi uyamthandazela umuntu esemagunyeni ngokwempilo yakhe kanti sikuthuma lapho kunyaza kodwa sithandaza ngopresident silasikhatha lodos siqalile siproject uzana kodwa sirojo inthathwe yendathi sinayanga lapho asina befundisi lethu wayesabazana si inetendence inisebho sobakhulekela nebodwa abantu yabantu ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngaba noqaba ngamkhulekela umaxolo on the ground but that's not a formula of God in terms of khulekela i-local church because uNkulunkulu uhlakaniphile we-order maqala ukukhuleka kufanele iqale ngalapha basemagunyeni so manje wathinta abantu abasemagunyeni ukuvelana sokuphela khoza kuvelana khoza lapha ya ayiphinde futhi sibheke phela ngoshawa izimvu akushawa izimvu bese kubale kumalusi noma ephambanisi ushawa umelusi bese izimvu automatic so uma izimvu zingenasikhathi so kukhulekela umalusi then izimvu zi-expose umalusi wakho yabona bese futhi izimvu zikhomplete yabona izimvu zihlangane nabantu izimvu zibone ziyabona izimvu kodwa zange ziwuqala uhambo lokuvikela umalusi.
Let me pray. Bese siyezwe lenkosi ngoba mina nje ngiqhubeke ngibuze bafowethu futhi sokuqhuzana but this is how we grow with receiving truth. Kunamaqiniso ekufanele siwabambe engashunyelwanga esiwabambe singekho umoya singathi ukuthi hayi bekhuluma inkosi cha la isikhathi
mhlawumbe ngingene emoyeni noma usususela pastor asithoma bangahamba asingahambi namali uma besathi nakushika zombisa abantu inkosi sababiza iprofeta bayo you need to understand that yababiza besifazane yababiza besilisa ngoba sizele generation ukukhawu inkingi sethi umuntu esehamba la ifike ngathi indlela siyakho mase hamba umuntu obizwa umuntu kanti unekwazi ukuthi ivoice yobizwa then I become worried ngiyabhelela njalo ubekwazi ukuthi ivoice yobizwa akayizwa ibani ivoice encane ithi hamba uyoxolisa what's the voice enkulu ngawo uhlangana nomhlaba ozobona ama-challenges ezokuyitest ukuze yakho ngempela evele enkosini ahlulwe ukuyoxolisa ngokucabanga vele umuntu uqhubeke ehamba usehamba into evele i-clear no sibele fair so manje ufuna ukuhamba hambani ya no ngesilivele futhi ubona lethu ukuthi ngabona uNkulunkulu after this blessing.
Ndondo Abraham after Lot ezehambile yabuye akhuluma inkosi.
Kuna abantu fanele ngempela noma ngabathanda kanjani. Yeah. Then by the blockage of the voice of God for your destiny.
There are standards.
Baba uqebula ukhokhe esikhumbeni. Bese kuphuma igazi. Ungathi ngesaphola leso silolo. Kanti fanele lokhokho mama uqebule lokhokho. Liphuma igazi. But guess what? Ngihlale liphuma igazi. Ngoba ukhokho uma ukuthathena sokuhleli. Wacabanga ukupholile. Kanti ukhokho fanele uphuze liphume igazi. Fakuphume igazi bese kuvela ukuthi awunayo iyami hlala kubuye ukhokho fresh.
Ngicela sithandaze amashumayela ubisho ngoba kusakuningi kusabale simthola. Ungahambelwa yi-leadership yo today bebekuzonombuzo wesibili sawubuza ubuzo othi umbuzo wangimama, how do you manage having from mayors to common people kodwa bawubheke esontweni kube ngathi wonke umuntu uyayekhaya? Cela sivala amehlo ethu. Very mega conference bazalwane. Ngisho kanye ngonyaka. Bephenduka.
No, you give me I'm sorry to give me ngoba ngibuza mina. But usizo lwami labasethinini. Futhi ngibeke bona. Also politics are my problem. Also politics are my problem when we should politicians are changes everything. We have a put in the supposed to politician. He should fully man who can't be politician. Our father, you can get a lot of listen now, but it's okay. Our father. But one says, I mean, we have says that we have no back to the other. There's some people who can't be, more back to inject more. Yeah, we're not fucking more. Uma bezeka ngikukhulekela noma ngikukhulekela ngekathi bamention abantu umizelo yabo kuya abashudela kuwo but into engayitholayo kusikhokhela abantu ngoba akufanele ubheke ubuze ukuthi uzobaphatha kanjani abantu uyabuza ukuthi abantu ndlelane ufuna kubaphathe ngayo ngoba mhlawumbe ngeze kuyombuzo ukuthi like for instance, I had to go and ask uNkulunkulu ngoba umuntu onelo self-esteem. Yabona? Uzo-check background, like take video. Yabona? Ngomncane. Kodwa nathi sethiwa manje uNkulunkulu is with you. Uyayisho ayihlangani lento. Kulula ukuthi uthethe uSini lo not mina. Uphethe abantu abamba ngemotela amasonto ngamba ngeTest ngamba ngenyama yabona into iyakudlala kancane ukuthi ngathi awubizi bazokuzwa kanjani. But guess what, uyamphendula umuntu obuzayo hayi emphendula mina ngufuna ukuqandikana. 3 things I've just received from the Lord. Ukuthi number 1 mawubisiwe uNkulunkulu uzokusiza akubusisa akunikeze indlela yokuthi how to deal and to treat this particular family. Amen. 2 things that I've heard that came from the Lord after speaking. Ubathanda nokuphakamisa. Bathande baphakamisa. Bathande baphakamisa. Abantu bakuthanda ukukhalisa ekhaleni zabo. But relax. Abona umqansi. Ubabona risho ibona whether order is. And khona abantu iBhayibheli liyavuma ukuthi khona abantu ubuthakathaka babo obukhushulwa amandla abo i-esteem yabo i-confidence yabo ibuyiswa ukuthi la ekhona is he being recognized or not. Yeah. Khona abantu abakuzwa ngoba uma uyababona then umuzwa sethi amen. Akathule abantu wamenshini igama lakhe utholo amen.
So babiza ngamagama Nkosi.
Noma bangenza abantu abayithanda abantu abayithanda kodwa umuntu ikhona lento ayizona isikolo yakho. Lento ungene lapho lapho usele khona nabantu lakhona ungene ngathi awungena. There must be a sign. Kodwa ngikholwa ukuthi ufanele sikhuluma ngokushaya. Abantu bangesibona bakhona abantu ithathe kwengathi babamshila uJesu ushiya wena akuyona into efanele siphazamise manje singene indlela kayizi sibona lokho akubizwa manje ushoba abantu abahamba nabo uJudas ngiyamthanda bathi uzoshaya isaya cabanga isaya likakhisi ngiyacabanga isaya likakhisi ngibona kiseni ngabonwa ingane uzoshaya isaya ukuthi nalo ufuna khashe uzoshaya isaya so that kiss ungacabanga ukuthi wena ukiss that hug kodwa wena ihug that appreciation lezokwenziwa manje kodwa wena appreciation it might be a sign. That gift ozoyinikezwa ingaba isayini. Zakumanda umamathi baba.
That gift, that hug, that kiss,
that appreciation,
closeness, that fellowship. Now mazwama could be the sign. Let us pull